My name is Miguel Reaño. I am 30 years old. I have lived in Suacha for 7 years. I am student Administración de Empresas in the Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. My unusual situation has been a trip to the Amazonas. In the year 2017, I have traveled to the Amazonas with two friends and her daughters and stayed at the Amazon Hotel. The hotel has been over the Amazonas River. I have been in Amazonas for 9 days. In this trip, I have visited Leticia in Colombia, Puerto Alegría in Peru, and Tabatinga in Brazil. In the hotel, I have had many unusual activities. I have eaten a fish called pirarucu. It is a 3 meter fish. It's very, very big. We have been kayaking on the Amazonas River. It is a very, very incredible experience. Another unusual activity has been reading a buffalo. It is a very strong animal. And now, and finally, uh, the most unusual thing has been to be able to live a small anaconda of almost 2 meters. It has been an unusual and very, very wonderful trip. It has been incredible. And, and thank you very much for your attention. Regards.